Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use free VPN on your Apple device. So guys, if you want to use free VPN on your device, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. So guys, first of all you have to simply open the App Store and search here for VPN or private VPN. So I simply search for VPN private free, and after this you have to go to VPN private from here and then download and install the latest version of VPN private. So guys, after this open it and then wait here for some seconds, and now turn it on from here. So guys, you can see this, simply tap on connect, and after this you will be able to use a VPN very easily from here. So guys, simply tap again and connect your VPN with your server. So guys, you can see this, the VPN is connected right now. So as you can see, this VPN is connected. So guys, in this way you can also use a free VPN on your Apple device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.